with the higher traffic from folks coming down to the beach, we need to take proactive measures to make sure it's in clean, good condition for everybody.
Woodbine Beach has been a prime destination for residents and out-of-towners looking to get out of the house, especially during the pandemic. The City of Toronto and Ward 19 Councillor Brad Bradford are anticipating this and have a plan in place to adhere to provincial safety regulations and to keep the beach clean and avoid situations like this that happened last summer.
I've been working with staff to develop a plan to respond to the higher usage. And that'll include more bins for waste collection areas where we have higher traffic. Those bins will be cleaned up twice a day. So, at the end of the day at 5 p.m., staff will be going around and emptying those bins so that we don't have waste that blows overnight on the beaches. And then they get cleaned again at 5 a.m. So that dual collection twice a day tends to really help. And then deploying waste baskets in areas of high traffic.
Residents who reached out to City News are also hoping to see more enforcement on the beach against people breaking the rules. Today, a police and bylaw presence was out ensuring that people were following the rules. In fact, a photographer from the Canadian Press tweeted earlier today that police asked a woman from Canada's national team to stop training as it goes against the provincial stay-at-home order.
Well, the rules and regulations that are put in place by the province are things that we all have to follow and respect. But I certainly do understand the need to get outside, the need to be physically active. It's of course very important for our physical health and our mental health. So we're trying to provide ways for people to do that in a safe way. When we follow the data and the evidence, we know that transmission is very, very low outside. The risk is very, very marginal. So it's important to keep in mind and respect the regulations that are in place. But I certainly want to see people, taking care of their mental health, their physical health, and taking advantage of the good weather that's on the way, getting outside and doing it safely.
One of those safe ways Bradford mentioned was active TO. Bradford also says that officers will patrol all eastern beaches from 10 a.m. until 1 a.m. Friday through Sundays and on statutory holidays. In Toronto, I'm Brandon Rowe for City News.